And so I think the first question I'd like to ask is just how you did become involved with Second Life and how it came about that you brought it into your classes, or at least one class, I think.
Right. About 2 years ago, I looked into Second Life as an experiment for the students. Part of the mission of our course is to discuss the different ways that we interact with information technology and the different hats that we wear. For example, the end user as a citizen, as a consumer, as a social creature, an employer, an employee, that sort of thing. And what are the different controversies that arise with the introduction of a new technology? For the social issues, what I wanted to do was to talk about what is the pull of virtual environments, whether it be online role-playing games or virtual worlds where the users create the world, but why are we spending so much more time in these environments? And so we look at different studies. We determined through the studies that people are indeed spending more and more of their social time online in front of a screen. And if that's the case, then what might the effects be on us in real life and vice versa? And so in order to let the students experience what it might be like, because a lot of them are not gamers or have not really spent any time doing these sorts of things, I designed this two-part project where they could create a mini-me and explore and talk with people from other countries, in the different Sims, and to try to get some ideas of what people are doing there and how they react to them, et cetera, et cetera. So that's just sort of a basic experience for them. And to see how that experience changes from when they first get on to after they've been on Second Life for a while, and then we have them write again what were some of the adjectives that you would use to describe your experience. And the changes are pretty enormous from the first time when they're on. They'll say things like, it's sort of creepy and weird and strange. And then by the time the second paper comes in, the adjectives are completely different. It's exciting, it's interesting, it's fun, and and then they write about their experiences and how people treat them and that kind of thing.